So this equation can be written as argument of z minus z2 upon z minus z1 is equals to theta. So this is the equation of a circular arc. So these are the few forms by which you can find out the equation of circles. Okay. Now what is our next format? Next format is equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse. How to find out that? Now what is the basic definition of the ellipse? You just understand that. We know that if there is an ellipse, then it is the locus of a point such that the sum of distances from two fixed points, these two fixed points are the foci. The sum of distance from a variable point to the two fixed points z1 and z2 is always constant, and that is equals to the length of major axis. Got this or not? Now the length of major axis is normally it is equals to 2a. So what is our concept is modulus of z minus z1 plus modulus of z minus z2 is equals to 2a. You got this or not? But one thing must be clear, that 2a must be greater than the distance between z1 and z2. So modulus of z1 minus z2 must be less than 2a. Got this or not? So this equation can be obtained just by the definition of the ellipse, and you know that the definition is sum of distance from a variable point to the two fixed points is always constant, and those fixed points are the foci or the focus, and that constant length is the length of major axis, that is 2a. By the same fundamental, you can find out the equation of hyperbola. How? You just see that equation of, now the definition of hyperbola is that the difference of the distances from two fixed points is always constant. You just see that if this is the hyperbola, okay, and these are the two fixed points, suppose it is z1 and z2, and a variable point is taken on the curve, and this is a variable point z, then z minus z1 modulus minus z minus z2 modulus is equals to 2a, and here 2a is the length of transverse axis, but in previous case 2a is the length of major axis. You can cite the difference between them. Okay, this is the major axis and this is the length of transverse axis. But in this case, modulus of z1 minus z2 must be greater than 2a. You got this concept or not? So equation of hyperbola is modulus of z minus z1 minus modulus of z minus z2 is equals to 2a. I think all these concepts will help you very much in your competitive examinations, and these concepts are very, very important and easier to understand. Okay, dears.